Reading date from a data frame based on conditions in a different data frame. I have two data frames. I need to read in values from one data frame based on values from another. Words. Sentences. The desired output is into a text file. However, I can't get past this step. I have tried running the following code. For X in sentences. Print words, words. No. Dot between sentences, start sentences, stop, inclusive equals true. But I'm returned with this error.
Set no as the index for words and then iterate over sentences using a list comprehension. Or index agnostic. Saving to a file should be straightforward from here.
One way to solve this.
If you want to support the channel, click the like button and subscribe.